Hare Om. So Patanjali has explained in previous sutra that vrittis are 5 types, and they are not painful if they are controlled, and they are painful if they are not controlled. In our common life, we are not in a position to control the vrittis, and so we have to suffer the pains and disturbances and trouble and all that. Now in the next sutra, that is sutra number 6, is explaining 5 types of vrittis. Pramana, Viparyaya, Vikalpa, Nidra, Smritaya. So Pramana is one, Viparyaya, second one, Vikalpa, third one, Nidra, fourth one, and Smriti, the fifth one. So these are the 5 types of vrittis. Of course, this is a major category. There are subdivisions, again, of course those are not explained by Patanjali. But when major types are explained, these are sufficient to understand. Now this Pramana vritti, Pramana is evidence. Now definitely the evidence is connected with our 5 sense organs. We always get the information through the 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. And that information is processed in our mind and brain and all. And then we interpret. And then that information is converted to knowledge. And finally, after that, that knowledge is to be accepted as true or false. So this is a total process which is happening every now and then. So this is called Pramana vritti. Vritti in a sense, I would like to explain in much little detail that when we receive the information, then we process it, then it's converted to knowledge, and then accepting the knowledge as true or false. This decision is made by the vritti. So vritti is that condition of mind, we can say, with which we confirm the knowledge as true or false. So for these vrittis there are different types, and first vritti is Pramana vritti, that is evidence, information received through the different sense organs. Second vritti is Viparyaya, that is a false knowledge, or wrong knowledge, we can say. That means we get some information through the sense organs, but the interpretation when we convert it to knowledge is wrong. And again, accepting that as a true is a Viparyaya vritti. Then Vikalpa is knowledge received through the words. Nothing is existing physically, just words are there, and we get some knowledge to the words. That is always there, we get so much knowledge to the words. So this is called Vikalpa. Then Nidra is, literally meaning of Nidra is sleep. But here in Patanjali's Yoga Sutra, Nidra is a negative approach towards the life, is Nidra. I will explain in detail afterwards. And Smriti is memory. Everybody knows it, because we work through the memory only. Memory plays a very important role in our life. But sometimes more complication comes with this. So these are the major categories of vrittis. The Patanjali also is explaining these vrittis one by one separately. That is why I have not discussed much more here. I just given the explanation, little explanation, to understand the vritti. And now hereafter we will learn every vritti separately. And we will see, I will give some examples also with which it will be more clear that how these vrittis, if controlled, no klesha. If not controlled, the kleshas, disturbances are there. And then we have to appreciate the detailed explanation of Patanjali about this. So from next sutra, we will be learning these vrittis one by one. Hare Om.